Hello, and welcome to the Marketplace Genie WooCommerce Takealot integration plugin. Today we'll be demonstrating how to use the live synchronization option inside the plugin. First step is always to check that your API key is in and that it is valid and that the plugin is completely enabled with this tick box. We're going to head over to the synchronization tab and make sure that the live synchronization option is ticked. Every time you click apply, you'll wait to see settings saved, and then you know that it has saved. What the live synchronization does is synchronize your WooCommerce inventory to your Takealot reseller portal. So in order to do the live synchronization, we're going to have to create an order in WooCommerce. Please also make sure that inventory tracking is enabled in WooCommerce. You can see how to do this in one of our other videos. Right, so we're going to add the item, and for this demonstration, I've created a product called Test. The plugin will always match the SKU of what you use. That is the primary key between the two platforms. So if it's Test in WooCommerce, it's going to be Test in the reseller portal. As you can see here, the stock on hand at the warehouse is 9, and the stock in WooCommerce was 9. We've created an order, which has brought the quantity down by 1. And now it's sitting on 8. We're going to create the order. The order gets updated upon a status change to completed. So once we click update, and always check in the order notes to see that it has changed. The pending is changed to completed. We head over to the portal and we're going to click on search. And there you can see that the inventory has changed to 8. If the status changes to cancelled for whatever reason, we see here that the inventory has gone back up to 9 and that the status changed from completed to cancelled. We head back to the portal and we update it, we refresh, and we can see that the inventory has gone back up to 9. And that's how the inventory synchronization works. Always check in the log section of the Marketplace Genie plugin to see that the process has worked. If the API is down or the connection goes down, it will fail. This is a live plugin, and the log is always a great place to check to see that the update has actually been processed on the Takealot side, and you can see it's updated. Great, thanks for watching. Any other questions, please don't hesitate to email us at info@marketplacegenie.co.za. Thank you.